If you are experiencing slow printing speed with your Kyocera ECOSYS M2040dn printer, here are some resolution steps you can try. Press the code 10871087 or 1087 twice is a special maintenance code used on certain Kyocera printers and multifunctional devices. Entering this code on the printer's control panel is a way to access the machine's maintenance or service mode. After entering the code 10871087 followed by the number 21, 1087108721 on a Kyocera printer or multifunctional device can trigger the initialization or reset of certain settings. This code sequence is typically used by service technicians to perform specific maintenance or troubleshooting tasks. After pressing OK following the code entry on your Kyocera printer, it shows execute. It likely indicates that the initialization or reset process is being carried out. This process may involve restoring default settings, clearing certain data, or performing other maintenance tasks. During this initialization or reset process, it's important to allow the printer to complete the operation without interruption. Depending on the specific model and the extent of the reset, it may take a few moments to complete. Once the execute process is finished, the printer may automatically restart or prompt you to restart it manually. After the restart, the printer should be in the default state or have the specified settings restored.